Ok, bây giờ mình sẽ mở 400%. No, this one. This one also okay because I have the small one already. So, except this one, everything is okay. And then they know the rest is okay.
Check the card.
No, we will not check that. So ready.
Then the card.
But it's the secret one, honey. The water is the water ice one.
No.
This is the water ice one. The water one you can one up. The real one. The normal will not water one. That one is water, nè.
Are you sure?
Sure.
I think so.
Sure.
That is the card.
This is the water ice one. Quite cute.
Maybe all is the water ice.
This one, right? This collection, they say if you can open have the water one is the nice one. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. And I guess which one can open? This one is the
Can you get which one we'll get?
MANCHAO.
This one, I think the dinosaur quite cute.
Dinosaur again. Dinosaur also can become one collection.
Mm.
And is the one we like the purple color. Oh,
It's a secret.
the purple color, right? Because like that, the hand like that. Very cute.
Yeah, so got two. One is the crying eyes with moon face, and one is the rolling eye with cat face. So crying eyes more expensive.